Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about Spikeball, one of my favorite games to play with friends.
Spikeball is by far our favorite game to play with my group of friends. It's so much fun, everybody can play it, kids, adults, because the concept of the game is so easy, it's so much fun, it really gets everybody running and screaming and laughing. It's such a fun game. I really like it because you can play it really anywhere. We have played it in grass, in dirt, at the beach. So it's really fun to take in any family vacation and you have guaranteed fun. It comes with an air pump, and a very nice touch is that it comes with a foldable backpack. So you can put all of your Spikeball gear into the backpack and you really can take it everywhere.
So if you want to have tons of fun with your friends and family, get this Spikeball Pro. You won't be disappointed, and that's my point of view.